The Industrial Revolution in America, machines, mills, and the making of a modern nation. In just a few decades, America transformed, from farms to factories, hand tools to machines. But behind the progress were stories of sweat, danger, and dreams. How did the Industrial Revolution reshape American life? And who paid the price for progress? Late 1700s to early 1800s. The Industrial Revolution begins in Britain and crosses the Atlantic. The US embraces steam engines, textile mills, and mechanical innovation. Samuel Slater, known as the father of the American factory system, builds the first water-powered textile mill in Rhode Island. Slater memorized British factory designs in his head and smuggled them into America because exporting them was illegal. Small towns like Lowell, Massachusetts become booming mill cities. Young women, Lowell mill girls, leave farms to work long hours for low pay. Urbanization accelerates. By 1860, over 20% of Americans live in cities. Narrate the journey of Sarah, a teenage girl working 14-hour shifts in the mills, dreaming of independence but trapped by harsh conditions. New machines revolutionize everything. The cotton gin steam engine telegraph interchangeable parts. Eli Whitney's system of mass production lays the foundation for modern industry. Railroads and canals link distant cities and markets, shrinking the country. By 1850, the US has more railroads than any other country in the world. Factory life is grueling. Long hours, low wages, dangerous machines. Child labor is common, no safety laws, no worker rights. Immigrants flood in to seek jobs and often face exploitation and discrimination. Show a young boy, Nico, working in a coal mine, his hands blackened, coughing, eyes full of hope and exhaustion. Workers begin organizing. Early labor unions form, demanding shorter hours and better conditions. Strikes and protests are often crushed, but the seeds of reform are planted. The Industrial Revolution creates modern capitalism and modern inequality. What if worker protections had been prioritized from the start? Could industrial progress have come without such suffering? Machines made America faster, stronger, richer. But progress has a price, and the people who built the modern world weren't always the ones who benefited from it. Do you think the Industrial Revolution improved life for most Americans? Or just a few? Would you have survived the factory floor?